Let's solve this question today. The question says, let alpha beta be the values of m for which the equation x plus y plus z equal to 1, x plus 2y plus 4z equal to m, and x plus 4y plus 10z equal to m square have infinitely many solutions. Then the value of summation over n to the power alpha plus n to the power beta, where n takes value 1 to 10, is equal to. Options are A 3410, B 560, C 3080, D 440. So let's solve the question. So question clearly says that this system has infinitely many solutions. So we know if the system has infinitely many solutions, that means it is consistent, and we can say dx equal to 0, dy equal to 0, dz is equal to 0. So which will be the appropriate one is easier also, that is dz we can use. So dz equal to 0, the coefficients of the system has to be put inside the determinant. 1 1 1 1 2 4, and here it will be 1 m square is equal to 0. So after we solve this determinant, we have 1 into 2m square minus 4m minus 1m square minus m plus 1 into 4 minus 2 equal to 0. 2m square minus 4m minus m square plus m plus 2 equal to 0. This gives us our equation, quadratic equation, as m square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. Factors being m minus 2 and m minus 1. So you have values of m as 2 and 1. These are your values of alpha and beta. Alpha and beta. So we are supposed to find summation over n to the power 2 plus n to the power 1, where n takes value 1 to 10. So you can just separate the summation, and we can use the formula summation over n square. It is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus n into n plus 1 by 2. So that gives us 2 3s. When we do the cancellation, I have this, that is 55 can be taken common. 7 plus 1 8. 55 into 8, which is 440. So the answer will be option D. Thank you for watching.